Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in this video I wanted to show you this card that I was working on. I'm using the All Adorned stamp set, which is one of the free selections with Stampin' Up! Celebration through March 31st. And with a $50 product purchase before shipping and tax, you can earn this beautiful set for free. And I wanted to make this card that reminded me of St. Patrick's Day with the different greens. I have shaded spruce and mint macaron and the coordinating colors in ink. And I've made my main image here, and I'm going to add a sentiment later. But to me, it just needed something. I'm thinking ribbon, but it needed something else. So when I am working on a card and I want it to have a little bit of pop, I usually turn to some glimmer paper. And this is gold glimmer paper, 2 strips, 4 inches wide by ½ inch, 4 inches long by ½ inch wide. And I want to use that to border this back layer here. So this piece is cut as a traditional back layer on a standard size card, 4 by 5 1/4. Well, if I add the glimmer strips here, it will be too tall, okay? I won't be able to show enough of that like I want to. So I cut another piece, and this time I cut it at 4 3/4 by 4 to give me some space to add just this little bit of glimmer paper that's going to pack a punch and really make a difference in my card. Okay, so let me go ahead and apply those, and I'm going to use liquid glue because first off I have a textured impressions piece and I want the adhesive to get down into all those little layers, so I'm going to put a thin strip there. And also when you're using glimmer paper, that helps with the stick as well because of all the little flakes of glitter. And so I'm just going to extend it about 1/4 inch like that on the top. Yeah, that's going to work. And so then I'm going to do it again on the bottom. Now you see that this is just a very easy add-on that's going to make to me, oops, that I didn't hold that long enough, a dramatic look, a dramatic change in the look of this card. Okay, so let me hold that a bit. So we have glimmer paper in silver and a rose color and the gold and what we call a sparkle, which is a light white looking iridescent piece. And so let me go ahead and add this. But okay, and then I can go ahead and add the main piece. And then I'm going to look through my stamps for a sentiment. And I think I can get my itty bitty greetings and find something that will work. Yes, have a lucky day. So I'm going to use that as my sentiment. So be sure and visit my blog at InkandInspirations.com to see how I finish out this card. And try this next time you just need a little pop of punch for your card making. Okay, thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.